Okay.
Blaine Warbler Anderson. I have never loved another. Except for last year when I was in love with my stepbrother. I admire you almost as much as I admire the late Alexander McQueen. You are squinting when you sing. How I've missed our impromptu performances in the Dalton Academy halls, the rooms, the bleachers. Where the hell were all the teachers? We've seen everything eye to eye, all the pain, all the hurt. At least we did until my last growth spurt. We've shared so many intimate moments, memories that shine and glitter. Just the two of us, Facebook, MySpace, Tumblr, and Twitter. Since we've met, it's been absolute heaven. For your Emmy consideration, 2011. But through all the glory, the scary, and the hype, I swear to God, I'm gonna punch the next person who calls me a stereotype. I'm so thankful to have found a partner as talented as me, and forever we shall be, unless the writers change things in season 3. Until that happens, I thought now would be the perfect time to propose. Blaine Warbler.
Yes?
Will you join Glee Club?
Just shut up. Come here. Get up. Come here. Kurt, you had me at Emmy. You think Santana was really going to have some fun? Kurt, you are my man and my inspiration, and I thought you would never ask. What do you guys think? Should I join Glee Club? You know what? Kurt, I've always wanted to do something that the Warblers never, ever let me do.
Wear another blazer?
We've been through this. You love the blazer. I've always wanted to do one of those big 80s powerhouse rock songs. Wouldn't that be fun, please?
Yeah, no, honey, no. It's scripted that Finn is next.